Hello everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I am going to show you how to make this Hyderabadi Paneer gravy recipe. Without any further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, we need a bunch of spinach, 2 onions, 1 medium sized tomato, 2 green chilies and half a bunch of coriander leaves. Now roughly chop the coriander leaves and spinach. Slice up the onions and cut the tomatoes into small cubes. Heat up a pan. To this, add in 2 teaspoons of oil. You can use any oil which you prefer. Now to this, add in the onions and green chilies. Saute till the onions are soft. Once the onions are soft, add in the tomatoes. Saute till the tomatoes are also soft. Once the tomatoes are soft like this, add in the chopped spinach and the coriander leaves. Now saute this for a minute or two till the spinach and the coriander leaves are slightly wilted. Turn off the flame and let it cool down. Once it reaches room temperature, transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine paste. Meanwhile, I have cubed up 200 grams of paneer and to the same pan add in a teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, an inch of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamoms and 2 cloves. Once the cumin seeds begin to crackle, add the ground spinach paste. Once the oil separates on top like this, lower or turn off the flame and add in 4 tablespoons of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. We are lowering the flame to stop it from curdling. Now mix everything well and again turn on the flame. Keep it on medium flame. Season it with some salt. To this, add in quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Now mix everything well, cook for a minute and then add in the chopped paneer cubes. Now on medium flame, let it cook for 2 more minutes. Now to make it a bit more creamier, I am adding 1 more tablespoon of fresh cream. Now to garnish, add in a handful of crushed kasuri methi. Give it all a good mix, turn off the flame and transfer it to a bowl. This goes well with rotis and parathas. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback in the comments. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes.